traders from across the globe. I just flew in from Nashville, and of course, boy, my arms are tired. So, welcome to the 2291st edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni. Traders, good evening. This video coming at you on a Monday night for trading, Tuesday, August 10th, 2021. We've got some topics on the board. They're very interesting. I want to get right to them, but I just want to remind you that this is a very risky business. This is not geared for every trader. You must know that there's a lot of volatility in trading stocks and futures and options, and always put your stops in first. Never trade without them. So what is going on for August 10th? The flat top, the Oscarism, known as the flat top, in the Dow Jones Industrial Average Daily Bar continues to challenge the U.S. stock market, and now OMNI's starting to point us down again. The leader, abstract view, however, overall, the leader of U.S. indices, and by the way, Charles Dow, and if you're going to doubt Charles Dow, remember that it's called the Dow Jones Index. Charles Dow's theory, part of it is that the transportation average is the silent leader. However, it lags in its leading. In other words, it'll lead for a while, and you won't see the other markets follow until after a while. Well, that one, the transportation average, absolutely agrees for day trading. Remember, we're in a big booming bull market overall. We are day trading. For day trading, the flat top continues to challenge the market. The transportation average for day trading tomorrow agrees. Then we've got gold and crude oil and the U.S. dollars. Both gold and crude are getting cracked. The reason being U.S. dollars rallying. And I will say, crude cracking, stimulus for the United States, right? We'll take it, being that they're trying to tax how far we drive each day. And so at least they make the price of crude go back down a little, the price of gas will go back down a little, and then the taxes that we pay because we drove our kids to school and into soccer, and then we had to go to the store to get them lunch for the next day, and we did all that stuff. We're going to be taxed for that soon if the Dems get their way. It's crazy, right? I may never vote Democratic again. I used to vote Democratic. I don't know if I'll ever do that again. But crude and dollars are cracking, crude and gold are cracking because of the U.S. dollar rally. And then Bitcoin and Ethereum. My phone just keeps getting heavier and heavier. And they're going up. I'm loving it, and I've got, we had a trade to buy Bitcoin on Sunday night through Monday. We've got another trade to buy Bitcoin on Monday night through Tuesday. We like Bitcoin. We like Ethereum. Remember, we're day traders. Traders, the OMNI has been doing some wonderful things. Now, there are times that I'll say to you in a video, hey, OMNI says the market's going to go up. OMNI says the market's going to go down. You must remember we're day traders. So all we expect if a market's going to go down is that it first rallies up high enough for us to get short, and then it drops down. Sometimes we get in a trade, we get short, we get out, and it rallies up and settles higher at the end of the day. But for me, I don't care. As long as the trade that we tried to take out of the market worked correctly, that works fine for me. Now, not every trade's going to work out. And, we've had a bunch of winning trades in a row and then 2 losing trades in a row. Came out of nowhere. I think Thursday, Friday, or Friday, Monday. These things are going to happen. No, actually, we didn't get a fill on Monday, so Thursday, Friday. These things will happen, but OMNI is a fantastic day trader. It's a fantastic counterpuncher, and you'll see some magic come from the OMNI this week. I assure you, because I've been doing this for many years, and OMNI always dazzles me. So I assure you, by the end of the week, you'll be dazzled as well. So, transportation average tells us, yes, you are right for your red OMNI, Oscar. The flat top tells us, yes, you are right for saying red OMNI and S&P on Tuesday, Oscar. Dollars up tells us gold and crude are getting hammered. This is good for us. And Bitcoin and Ethereum, if you are long, then you are doing fantastic right now. Traders, OmniCamp applications have come in. The seats are going like hotcakes. There are only a couple of them left. If you want to learn this craft by me, the September OmniCamp's coming very quickly. You've got to fill out your OmniCamp applications now. Go to livewithoscar.com, fill out a quick application there, or go to OMNIBootcamp.com and fill out a much longer application. It's not too much work for you, but for me it gives me a little bit more information about you and a little bit more of a profile on who you are. But remember, these seats are moving very quickly. There's only a couple of them left. And in fact, I approved 2 of the seats just today. Send in your apps. Call me, 702-629-4755. Don't miss your chance to learn this from me in September. With no further ado, let's go look at some charts. Okay, traders, remember, we are the home of, and tomorrow, if you're short the S&P, you better say this to yourselves a lot. So we are the home of stops are in, emotions are out. We are of the stops are in, emotions are out mentality. Make sure that you plan a trade and trade that plan. Put your stops in and do not change it. If you get nervous, say that to yourself over and over again, but don't touch your orders. Traders, you're looking at the Dow Jones daily bar. I've mentioned this flat top for you for, 2 weeks now, and it just keeps challenging the market and not letting it go up. So you've got one of 2 things that are going to happen. You either knock on this door enough times and it opens, or you knock on this door a few times and you dump. It's one of the 2, but Omni says go with the red arrow. So that's what I'm doing. Now I know which one it'll be for day trading. We're selling rallies in U.S. indices. The Dow Jones Transportation Average, deemed the leader of U.S. indices, absolutely agreeing with us. Look at how it just fails every time it hits this resistance area. And here we are right now, another failure up there, and the Omni is red. Let's move along because these charts are pretty good looking. Then we've got this massive crack in gold. Now, there's an absolute head and shoulders here with an absolute projection. The projection literally came down from here to here. The market dropped actually further than the projection, but that was a pretty darn good projection to begin with. The gold drops from the head and shoulders. Nothing wrong with that. Gold bugs get a chance to buy it a lot cheaper on the way down. Crude oil. Is crude going to be next? I think it is. Crude. 2 reasons. 1, it's now below my beloved Omni average. And 2, the dollar is cranking towards the upside. As you can see, the dollar had this massive rally. Then I showed you this little flag here last week before I went to Tennessee and said to you, this is another breakout taking place, and look at what's happened. So that was correct analysis. The dollar breaking to the upside. That's what's making crude oil, gold, silver, other commodities start to go down. Copper and lovely lumber as well. Thank goodness lumber's going down again. Not down every day, but overall, dollar moving up is knocking down the price of lumber. That's good for building. Now, Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin. I love this one. Traders, we've used this chart in many, many videos. I've used this exact same continuous chart for a long time now, making fantastic calls along the way. And here we are. The next thing is the bullish F flag that we are just breaking out of. And look, remember how much time we spent below this average? Well, now we are above it. No more red arrows. Now they're green. Let's take a little closer look. I blow that up, and what I want you to recognize is that first chart you just looked at had a little short-term average on it. This chart, same thing, Bitcoin but blown up, has the 200 bar moving average, and look at where the flag built itself. Above the 200 bar. I am telling you right now, the street is not blind. They've seen that happen, and they're jumping on it, and look at what's happened so far. So we like Bitcoin, and then you've got Ethereum. Ethereum looks fantastic. In fact, it started the run. It's already clearly above my Omni average and exploding towards the upside. So we like buying dips as this moves higher. Traders, make sure you join me at livewithoscar.com.